Good morning, students. Today we will start our new chapter number 5th, that is lines and angles. So in previous classes we already studied about some different types of lines and angles. So before start the chapter, let's introduce about some basic terms. So the first is line. So what is line? A line is a straight one-dimensional figure having no thickness and extending infinitely in both directions. So line here, एक straight one-dimensional figure, straight like this one. So it is a straight one-dimensional figure having no thickness. उसकी thickness ज़्यादा नहीं होगी and extending infinitely in both direction. मतलब तुसी उन्हों both side से extend कर सकते हो. It means you can see a line having no endpoints. All right. So the symbol of line is this one. This is called line. Okay. The next term is line segment. So what is line segment? A line segment is a part of line that is bounded by two distinct endpoints. Bounded मतलब उस लाइन को बंद क्लोज कर रही है, ठीक है? It means it having two endpoints. A line segment is a part of line. एक लाइन का पार्ट ही है जिसके विच दो endpoints होंगे, ठीक है? Suppose this is first endpoint A, this is second endpoint B. So this is called line segment. ठीक है? So the symbol of line segment is this one. This is the symbol of line segment. The next topic is ray. R-A-Y, ray. So what is ray? A ray is a part of a line that has fixed starting point but no end point. मतलब एक लाइन का एक पार्ट है जिसके विच स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट है बट कोई भी एंड पॉइंट नहीं. फॉर एग्जांपल ਜਿਹੜੀ सन की रेज है तो स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट की है सन को, ठीक है, बट उसका कोई एंड पॉइंट नहीं है क्योंकि रेज कितने तक जा रही है अपन को नहीं पता, ठीक है. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड रे एंड सिंबल ऑफ रे इज दिस वन. Okay, the next term is angle. So what is angle? An angle is the figure formed by two rays. Angle की है किसी भी दो रेज को एक फिगर ड्रॉ हो रही है. Suppose these are two rays. First ray is AB and second ray is AC. Okay, an angle is a figure formed by two rays called the sides of the angle and sharing a common endpoint is called the vertex. मतलब दो रेज से ਜਿਹੜਾ ਕਾਮਨ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਉਸ ਕਾਮਨ ਪੁਆਇੰਟ ਤੋਂ ਦੋ ਰੇਜ਼ ਨਿਕਲ ਰਹੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹ ਦੋ ਰੇਜ਼ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਵਿਚਲਾ ਪੋਰਸ਼ਨ ਹੋਊਗਾ this one, that portion is called angle. Okay, and this AB and AC are, these two rays are called the sides of angle and this is the common vertex of that angle. Okay students, so these are the four basic terms: lines, line segment, ray and angle. Next is complementary angles and supplementary angles. So what is complementary angles? When the sum of the measure of two angles is 90 degree. Sum मतलब अगर किसी भी दो एंगल का सम 90 डिग्री आ रहा है then the angles are called complementary angles. For example, this angle A is of measure 60 degree and angle B is of measure 30 degree. So when you add these two angles 60 plus 30, how much? It is 90 degree. It means angle A and angle B are complementary angles. Alright, and you can say A is the complement to other. तो सी complement भी कह सकते हैं एक एंगल में, मतलब जो एंगल A है is the complement to the other. Okay, so it is complementary angle. Yes. Another example. This is 50 degree. This is 60 degree. Angle A, angle B. Angle A is of measure 50 degree and angle B is of measure 60 degree. If you add this angle 50 plus 60, how much? 110. It is not equal to 90, therefore it is not the complementary angles. Alright. The next is supplementary angle. So definition: when the sum of the measure of two angles is 180 degree, the angles are called supplementary angles. अगर किसी भी दो एंगल्स का सम 180 डिग्री होगा then you can say it supplementary angles. For example, this is angle A of measure 120 degree and angle B of measure 60 degree. If you add this two angle A plus B, then how much we will get? 120 plus 60, 180, it means it is the supplementary angles, and you can say A is the supplement to B and B is the supplement to A. तो सीधे लिए वर्ड यूज कर सकते हैं सप्लीमेंट कि एंगल A B द सप्लीमेंट और B A द सप्लीमेंट. ठीक है. So when the sum of two angle is 180, it is called supplementary angle, and when the sum of two angle is 90 degree, then it is called complementary angles. The next topic is adjacent angle. So what is adjacent angle? The angles are such that they have a common vertex. This is first point. They have a common arm. Second point. And third one is the non-common arms are on either side of the common arm. ठीक है. Such case of angles are called adjacent angle. For example, so you can see here they have a common vertex. दो angles नहीं. Suppose that this is angle 1, this is angle 2. Angle 1 and angle 2 both having common vertex O. This is first point. Second one is they have a common arm. Common means दोनों का arm common होगा. It means OB is the common arm of angle 1 and angle 2. क्योंकि angle 1 का जो arm of किधर है OA and OB, and arm of angle 2 is OB and OC. It means OB is the common arm of angle 1 and angle 2. This is second point. And the third one is the non-common arm are on either side of the common arm. मतलब कि ਜਿਹੜੇ non-common ने वो की होंगे either side of the common arm. मतलब एक होगा उधर left side पे, एक होगा उधर right side पे, opposite sides से होंगे. ठीक है. So arm opposite to this OB is first one OA arm and the second one is OC arm. मतलब इस OB arm के जो opposite आ रहे हैं arm, एक आ रहे हैं OA arm और second one is OC arm. Okay, so these are the three common points to check the angles are adjacent or not. So such pairs of angles are called adjacent angles. Angles which having common vertex and having common arm are called adjacent angles. All right. So one more example here. I have drawn three angles: angle 1, angle 2, and angle 3. So you can check here angle 1 adjacent to angle which one? Angle 2 or angle 3? Angle 2. ठीक है. angle 1 ਦੇ adjacent ਕਿਹੜਾ angle ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ? angle 2. adjacent मतलब ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ. ਉਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੋਊਗਾ ਔਰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ vertex common ਹੋਊਗਾ, arm ਵੀ common ਹੋਊਗਾ. All right. So angle 1 and angle 2 ਦਾ vertex common है. So angle 1 is adjacent to angle 2 and angle 2 is adjacent to angle which one? 3. It is adjacent to angle 3 and 1 also. 1 ਦੇ adjacent ਤੇ angle 2 ਆ, 2 ਦੇ adjacent ਤੇ angle 1 ਵੀ ਹੈ ਤੇ angle 3 ਵੀ ਹੈ ਔਰ angle 3 ਦੇ adjacent only angle 2. All right. So this is the topic adjacent angle. The next topic is linear pair. So what is linear pair? Two angles that are adjacent and supplementary. It means add up to 180 degree. For example, this angle AOB is named as angle 1 and angle BOC is named as angle 2. Now you can see here both of these angle 1 and angle 2 having the common arm OB and the common vertex O, and they are both adjacent angle, and the measure of these two angles, angle 1 plus angle 2 is how much? 180 degree. That's why angle 1 plus angle 2 forms a linear pair. ऑलराइट. मतलब किसी भी मतलब दो या दो तो ज़्यादा भी हो सकते हैं, ये नहीं कि दो ही होंगे हमेशा, 3 भी 4 भी 5 जिन्हें मर्जी हो, बट वो हमेशा उनका सम होगा जो 180 डिग्री होगी. ठीक है. फॉर एग्जांपल सपोज कर लेते हैं कि होगा कि दिस इज 2, दिस इज 3, देन यू कैन राइट एंगल 1 प्लस एंगल 2 प्लस एंगल 3 इज आल्सो 180 डिग्री. Because angle 1 the adjacent angle 2 or angle 2 the adjacent angle 3 है, and the sum of all these angle 1, 2, 3 is 180 degree. Clear? And these angles are not overlap. ये overlap नहीं करेंगे. इसलिए कि इस तरह के एंगल आ रहे हैं, एक एंगल अलग तो जा रहे हैं इस तरह, इस वे ना नहीं होगा. ठीक है. The sum हमेशा कितना होगा? एंगल का 180 डिग्री होगा. So So that is called linear pair. ठीक है? The two angles, two or more angles that are adjacent and supplementary. So that is called linear pair. So the next topic is vertically opposite angle. So what is its definition? When two lines intersect. Suppose there are two lines. The name of first line is AB and second line is CD. They both intersect to each other. The vertically opposite angles so formed are equal. So फिर किन्होंने क्या हुआ कि there are vertically opposite angles only. So you can check here if two lines intersects, how many angles are formed there? There are total 4 angles. So name that angle 1, 2, 3, 4. So angle vertically opposite to this one is which one? That is one the opposite angle. Angle vertically opposite to this one is angle 3. And angle vertically to opposite this two is which one? Angle 4. So you can write here angle 1 and angle 3 are equal. मतलब जो vertically opposite angles होंगे that is equal. इसे लिखा हुआ opposite angles so formed are equal. It means angle 1 is equal to angle 3 and vertically opposite to angle this 2 is equal to which one? Angle 4. So these are the ways of vertically opposite angle. Okay students. So now let's start the example and exercise 5.1.